This one's a really easy one. We're going to talk about multiplying fractions or decimals by whole numbers. So if I have a fraction and I want to multiply it by a whole number, let's say by 5, then I just need to turn that 5 into a fraction. Well, that's easy. That's just 5 over 1. 3/7 times 5 over 1. And then we multiply normally. In this case, there's nothing to simplify. So we have 3 times 5 is 15 over 7 times 1, which is 7. So again, if I'm multiplying a fraction or a mixed number by a whole number, I just need to change that whole number to a fraction by putting it over 1 and then do everything normally. Now, if I want to multiply a decimal by a whole number, I treat it exactly the same way. So 3.27 times 4 is the same thing as I do with multiplying two decimals, except I've only got 2 decimal places in all because the 4 has 0 decimal places. So my DPIA is equal to 2 in this case. And then I just do 327 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13. So 1308. And I need my DPIA to be 2. So I just go boom. Answer is 13.08. So it's easy as that. To multiply a fraction by a whole number, I just turn the whole number into a fraction over 1. So 7 turns into 7 over 1. And to multiply a decimal by a whole number, I do the same thing as I always do. I just count 0 decimal places for the whole number, and everything else is the same. That's it.